So I'm going to show you quickly how to respond correctly to the daily attendance question so that you don't get marked absent. When you're on the mainstream page, you're going to want to move to the Classwork tab. Under the Classwork tab, you can see over here in your digital binder, there's a section for attendance. You can also find this attendance section by simply scrolling down to the attendance section. Easiest way is to use the tabs out of your digital binder. So I'm going to click on the attendance question. You want to find today's date, Monday the 10th. Here's our directions. Use the space where it says type your answer. Here's that space. For today's attendance, do not make a comment. You're not going to comment on this. You're going to actually give a response. You have 5 minutes to complete this. When you are done, click turn in. There's the turn in button. This is the question you will be responding to. What is one word that you would use to describe yourself? I would say that I'm super organized. That's 2 words, but I'm super organized. So I would type my response in here, organized, and I could click turn in. Understand that you are in the virtual classroom, so this online attendance is mandatory, and you'll be marked absent if you do not show up and tardy if you are late. And you have to stay online for the entire time to consider present. I do want you to know that if you were to actually open this assignment rather than just viewing it, nothing has changed. You're still using the section that says type your answer. It just moved over here. And you click turn in. You are not going to make a class comment.